How to remove profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a profile picture on Facebook without deleting. Now if you're here on this video means you have already tried to remove it without deleting it, right? But there is no any direct option to remove it, but I'll just show you a quick trick on how you can do so. First things first, what you can do is if you want to change your profile picture or remove your profile picture but you don't want to delete it, so what you can do is you can simply open up Facebook, head into your profile, right? You want to tap on the profile picture, and here what you can do is you can tap on choose profile picture and you can upload a random picture, right? Just upload a random picture that will be there for the quick short term there. Once you have uploaded it, this profile will head into your albums, right? The present profile will head into your albums and the new profile will be shown up here. So once your new profile has been updated, simply tap on the profile again and then tap on see profile picture and then tap on three dots option at the top right corner and then tap on delete photo. Confirm the deletion and your new profile picture will be deleted and your profile picture will be removed, while the previous picture that you didn't want to delete will be there on your album. So this way you can remove profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.